Hi everyone, today we have this platform called Beefree IO, and this is the best high converting HTML email builder. So before we begin, consider subscribing to our channel, and also you can head over to the link in the description below to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses onto the platform called Beefree IO. And this is an amazing tool to design different type of email, and also you can make them highly converting basically. So that is the main purpose of this platform. Now what I like about this tool is you can directly get started with it. You do not need any developers or designing knowledge, and we have all of these templates to get started. You can, let's say I want to go with this template, click on edit, and you will be directly headed over to your editing section. So just wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. So here you can see we are in the editors panel, and we can totally customize all of these settings in here. We can choose it to say anything that we would like for example this, and let me just correct that. Okay, so once we have that done, you can see we can add in here a logo. It is already mentioned on the, if we see on the right side, we have all of these editable properties, like for example row properties. We have our background color. If we want to change that, let's just change it to something green, and you can see how nice that looks. Or if we see that we have our content area background color, we can choose that as well. We have our different type of URLs that we can modify, borders, and all of these settings that are going to be needed to design a highly attractive and of course converting email. And yeah, so make sure to give it a try. Now talking about its reviews, people are really loving it. So easy to use features, easy to export HTML. Beefree has a massive benefit in terms of productivity, email effectiveness, and collaboration. You can give it a try using the link in the description below to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. So do not miss out on that. Stay tuned and see you guys in the next video.